guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to be creating a really easy red festive acrylic nail set with glitters, and I'm going to be using S&M Nail Candy Monomer. I do have a coupon code for them, and Double Dip, I have a coupon code for them as well, so make sure you check the description box down below. I am going to be using chunky glitters and fine glitters. And yeah, this is going to be a really easy red festive acrylic nail tutorial with chunky and fine glitters. So first of all, I'm going in with the Candy Cover Honey. This is also from S&M Nail Candy, and I do have a coupon code for them. Really great acrylic and monomer. And so I'm just going in with this beautiful nude color, and then I'm going to be applying this all over the middle finger. And then after that, I am going to be going in with the gorgeous red color. It is called Red Velvet. It is by Double Dip. It's beautiful, really vibrant, but yet subdued red color. I really like it. I think it's going to go well with all skin tones. Highly recommend that. So here I'm just smoothing out the nude color, and then making sure that I am patting it, making my application as perfect as I can. And then we are also going to be using foils in this acrylic nail tutorial today. So I am using these red nail foils, and they stick right into the acrylic. Really easy to do. So I'm doing this at a slanted design at the tip and at the free edge of the nail, and I literally just pick them up with my acrylic brush and pat them into the semi-wet acrylic nail. Really easy. Again, these are flakes. I believe I got this set from AliExpress, and I think that this is a super pretty accent to add to any festive holiday nails. I really love it. So here is this red velvet color from Double Dip, and I know it is hard for some people to work with darker acrylic powders, but Double Dip powders are super awesome. I highly recommend them. Really easy to work with, and you guys see how I waited there for the brush to the acrylic on the brush to turn glossy, and that's how when you know that it is ready to be applied to the nail. And I applied that bead, I pulled it down, and then I'm basically just gonna, with really light strokes, feather this down the nail, almost like a painting motion. This is a gorgeous color, and I'm gonna do this to the entirety of the nail. And then after that, I'm gonna show you guys how I go over this with chunky and fine glitters. Really pretty, really nice for holidays. Yeah, so it's super easy to use chunky glitters and fine glitters with acrylic. I find it super easy. You basically are just gonna apply it over the wet acrylic. So after you lie down your acrylic, you can go in with your brush and you can pick up the glitters with a little bit of monomer, and you really just spread them out onto that wet acrylic, and it will just soak up all those glitters. So it's a really easy holiday set. So that is what I'm doing here. I am using these red glitters, fine and chunky, and just pressing them into that wet acrylic, and it is a really pretty look. It works with all colors really. And I'm going in first of all with the fine glitter, and I'm pressing that into the wet acrylic. So here I am going in on the pinky finger, applying the cuticle area first of that red, trying not to touch the skin, and then pulling it down like a painting motion. And you guys, if you guys have not subscribed, a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel. I do have a giveaway going on, so make sure you are subscribed to be entered in that. And yeah, here I'm going in again with the glitters, pressing it in to the wet acrylic. Super easy to do. Super festive and beautiful look you're going to get when you press in glitters to acrylic. yeah, fine or chunky. And then I'm using this glitter mix here. This is an acrylic glitter mix, and this is from A&G Nail Supplies. It is a Princess Queen Glitter Collection, and this is a chunkier glitter mix, but this is pre-mixed with acrylic, so you can just go into it right into the nail. And what I love to do with acrylic nails, if I want a glitter one, is I like to press a base color. So obviously we picked the red, and then I went in with the fine glitter, so it just fills in any gaps or sparsity that you may have with your glitter, and it makes it look that much better. So we are going to be encapsulating today. I am going to be encapsulating these beautiful red hearts. These are from Double Dip store as well. And I'm placing these into that wet, chunky acrylic, picking them up with my wet brush and pressing them in. You want to make sure you press as much as you can so that when you come to encapsulate, no pieces of those chunky glitters stick out. I am going to encapsulate this nail really, really well so that when I file, nothing comes out. And yeah, encapsulating this nail here, you guys saw how easy this festive set was. I absolutely love this set. It was super easy to work with chunky and fine glitters. In this acrylic nail tutorial, we created a really fun festive nail set. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I absolutely love these nails. After this, we are going to be decorating the nails. We are going to be adding some crystals as usual to jazz up this festive nail set. I do have a bunch of videos coming up. I have a lot of nail mail that has come in, so highly recommend you guys stay tuned for that. I have my first Shein order coming in. I have lots of AliExpress stuff coming in from the 11/11 sale. I got a nail supply glamour order that came in. I went to my local nail supply store and I have some stuff from there. Rosa Sandoval, she is a fellow YouTuber, and I ordered some stuff from her as well. And I'm super excited for the Black Friday sales. I am eyeing a size 20 Kolinsky brush. I know that sounds super big. I don't know. I got at my local nail supply store from a really good brand, American Nails. I got a faux Kolinsky size 20 just to see how I like it. It has been working really well. So I think I'm ready to buy a real Kolinsky one in that size. And yeah, we are decorating the nails here. I did buy a builder in a bottle and went over that with the S&M Nail Candy Top Gloss. And now I'm going in with a bunch of different crystals, some red ones, some gold ones, and placing them onto that wet nail. I didn't cure in between, and this is how I like to adhere my crystals. Yeah, I think this is looking super pretty. I absolutely love these, and the effect of the glitter on the acrylic is gorgeous. I hope you guys love these as much as I do. Make sure you guys are subscribed, comment down below, like this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.